Hello, Assalamu alaikum, student. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Assalamualaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam, my dear.
Assalamualaikum teacher.
Walaikum salam, bete. Okay. So, how's going days? Are you practicing about the assessments?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, more students are joining us. I want all the students to open the video.
Assalamualaikum miss.
Will you kindly open the video of yours? All the students should open the video.
Miss, sorry, I cannot open it because I'm taking class from the laptop.
I did not get bete.
Teacher, I am.
Miss, I am sorry that I cannot open the video because I am taking from the laptop.
Okay, fine. Okay, Amna Sheikh, Shahraza Abdullah Farhan. Okay, Fatma Mohsin, unmute yourself and do recitation, bete.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah, bete. Please, Amna, Reja, I'm removing you. Shahraza, if you don't open the video. Shahraza, Amna. Okay. Next week, we will be having speech and debate competition as I already announced it. So today I'll be guiding you the overall process, how we have to do that. Is that clear? Use thumbs up sign. Okay. More students are joining us. Okay. Today we will study what is a debate and a speech competition and what do we do in that. So Abdullah Baran, Shahraza, I want you to open the camera, please. Open the video of yours. Amna and please, Shahraza and Abdullah Baran, please open video. Otherwise, I'm removing you from the class. Without any genuine reason, you are closing the video. So I'm just removing you. Okay. I'm starting the today's topic. Who is Viva? Okay. Let other student join us. 1 more minute. We'll be waiting for other to join us. And then we will start our topic. Shahraza and Amna Sheikh, please open the video of yours. Okay. All of you, listen carefully. I'm sharing the screen. I want everyone look at that. On Monday, we will start our competition. Rahim is joining us. Okay. Amna, please open the video of yours. Okay. Are you all able to look at the screen? Show Zoom thumbs up option, bete. Are you all able to look at it? Okay. Now, let me clear you first. What is a debate competition and what do we do in that? Okay. Debate is a competition, where two people or two group of people disagree on an important subject or an important topic. Fine. Two people can do that and two group can debate on a particular topic. Why do they debate on it? In order to present their own point of view. Fine. If team A is presenting a point of view, Danish and Asghar is joining us. Beta, I want all the students to be punctual. Try not to join the class very late, beta. Because in this manner, the whole class is disturbed. Okay, let other students join the class. Then I'll be starting it. I want all the students to open the... Shahraza, I'm removing you. Amna,
मिस मेरी वीडियो नहीं खुल सकती.
why bete Amna?
मिस पता नहीं कुछ लिखा हुआ आ रहा है.
Okay, Shahraza and Amsal, open the video, otherwise I'm removing you. Because we have to start the topic and we're already late, bete.
Sorry, teacher.
Shahraza, Amsal, Aryan, open the video. Amsal. Okay. I'm sharing again the screen. Please, everyone, look at it. Okay. Debate is a process in which two people or two group of people present their point of view. Fine. The first party will present their own point of view with evidence, and the second group will disagree them. Fine. Why do they disagree? Because they don't agree with them and they don't agree with their point of view. Fine. So whosoever is presenting their ideas and thoughts, they have to present with evidence in order to support their thought and ideas. Is that clear to everyone? Dania is joining us. Fine. Why do we debate? We do debate to clear our thoughts to other one. Fine. Okay. Which thing you have to clear when you are debating or you are presenting your own point of view? Fine. Team A should introduce and present the idea with evidence. You should care about the time. For example, if you are speaking about one sentence or one topic, you should not take more than half an hour or an hour. Fine. You should present your complete point of view within time limit. Okay. The point, whatever you are describing or you are presenting to anyone, it should define your main scope. Fine. What is the main reason that you are presenting this point? Okay. You should know your against party and the content and their style of speech. Fine. More students are joining the class. Let me check who is joining now. Reja is joining again. Okay. Did you understand, my dear student? Why do we debate? I want everyone to unmute themselves. One by one and ask the question, please. Use the Zoom option to raise a hand and ask the question. Did you understand? What do we do in debate? What do we do in that when we are taking part in debate competition? Who will let me know? Ji Abhiya, tell me. What do we do in debate competition? Speak
In a
clearly.
debate
Bete.
competition, there are two people. One person speak for its evidence, and the second person speak for its evidence. Means they are opposites.
They are opponent parties, no? They are against of them. Why do they are against? Because they disagree. The first team. We do disagree. That's why we are debating on it. We are arguing about the topic. Okay. The thing you have to care, you should care when you are debating. When two groups or two groups of people are debating on a specific topic, they should not be loud. We should avoid speaking loudly. You should not shout at the moment. Fine. Present your point of view very politely. Fine. The body language really matter. Your sound should be clear. Fine. You should give the other chance to speak. You should not interrupt when other are speaking. Am I clear? Let other complete their complete speak. Then you can start your point. Start presenting your own ideas, your own thought with logic. Why do you disagree? Am I clear? Okay. Look at that again. I'm sharing the screen. Look at this. Here, group of people are sitting together in order to do a debate. Fine. So look at that. They are sitting in a proper manner, facing each other in a proper manner. And when you are debating, you should not be loud. You should smile, clear in a very nice manner. You should present your own point of view. Is this clear? Three things you have to avoid when you are debating or you are taking part in debate. What are those? You should not be loud. You should not interrupt. You should give other chance to speak. Am I clear? Present your point with proper evidence. Clear? Don't interrupt. Let others speak. Complete sentence. Then you should present your point. After listening the complete sentence of the first group. Clear? And when you are presenting your ideas, your thoughts, so you should clear it. That what do you want to share about it? For example, if a person is debating on a topic like why exercise are necessary for the health, so you should give evidence. It makes us active. We became healthy, and more points you can add with evidence. We don't get sick, or it makes us very healthy. So all these points will support your idea, and who are against of it, who will disagree, they will present their point, their ideas, their thoughts with evidence. Like why don't we don't need it? Fine. Why should not we don't do that? Fine. Fine. It can give us injury. You can add more point related to it. It should support. Is this clear? So other team member will support the main idea. Am I clear? For example, if team A first partner is presenting the point of view that we should not do exercise, so other partner will support the first person because they all are in group now. They are in one group. Saqib and Dania is joining us. Is this clear to everyone? What we should do when we are debating and what we should not do? Okay. The most important thing when you are taking part in debate competition is research. Do a vast research about the topic you should have a content. What will you share? Fine. If I'm debating about a particular topic, I should know about each and everything. Like what are the main thing which I have to share with my group? Fine. Is this clear? So you should research on it before presenting your point of view to anyone. Clear? We cannot present any wrong idea, any wrong thought to anyone now. Is this clear? So for presenting a good idea, for presenting a good thought, we should research on it first. Is this clear? Use thumbs up option better, please. The Zoom option to raise that, please. If the things are not clear to you, and if it's clear to you. Okay. Now I'll be differentiating the speech competition. But everyone should open the video and sit properly, please. Abdullah Farhan, Saqib, Amna, please open the video. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Saqib, Aryan, all of you should open it. Okay. What is a difference between a speech competition and a debate competition? You know, in a debate competition, the second group are in against of you. They disagree, they do disagree. But when we are taking part in a speech competition and when we are doing speech, we don't disagree. Am I clear? Is this clear? In a speech competition, we do present the thoughts and ideas more effectively. Fine. In that, all the members are speaking on and one topic. Clear? They all are speaking about one topic. Is this clear? What do we do in speech competition? I'm sharing the screen. Look at that. What is a speech competition? A speech competition is act or process where a person presents his ideas and thoughts. They don't disagree. Is this clear? Here all are taking part to present their own point of view in different manner. Fine. In speech competition, all are presenting their point of view in different manner, but they don't disagree the other. Is this clear? They are all presenting their point more effectively to win the competition. Okay. As I told you, we have to care about few things when we are doing a debate or when we are taking part in debate competition. We should research about the topic. We should not interrupt when others are speaking. Fine. Let other complete their own sentence. Then you will present your own point of view. We should not be loud. Clear? We should care about the body language and we should care about the time. Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Did you understand what are the difference between a speech competition and debate competition? Did you understand, all of you? Use Zoom option to raise, and if you don't get it, and if you got it, thumbs up, please. Okay. Shall I move forward? Okay. I'm moving forward. Listen it carefully. How? Okay, when you are debating at that time, you should not have a piece of paper with you. Fine? Whatever you have researched about the topic, you should keep in mind that this and that you have to present. Fine? Is this clear? But when you are doing speech, You can have a note with you, a piece of paper. Is this clear? It's really good if you don't keep a piece of paper with you and you memorize all the information, because you should have in your mind what you will present to others, what you are going to present. Is this clear? Okay. Shahraza, please be attentive. Aryan, Shahraza and Amsal. Reja, Abdullah Farhan, Saqib, Amna Sheikh, and please open the camera. Ji bete Reja, you wish to ask something?
टीचर आप मुझे डिबेट कंपटीशन कैसे समझा सकती हैं?
Speak clearly. I did not get the question, bete.
टीचर आप डिबेट कंपटीशन का फिर से बता सकती हैं क्योंकि आई हैव सम नेट इशू.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I want a student to review it more so that the other can get it. Okay, Fatma Mohsin, speak about it. Briefly explain what do we do in debate competition and what do we do in speech competition. Amsal.
In debate competition, one disagree and one agree, and in speech competition, the person act or try to get win in the speech competition.
Okay, very good, Fatma Mohsin. Excellent job. Ji Sinan, did you understand the difference between the speech competition and debate competition?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, briefly explain it.
In debate competition, there is a discussion between two people. One is disagree and one is agree. In speech competition, both are agree and one want to win the speech competition and they speak
good.
about the topic.
So they are presenting their ideas more effectively as compared other ones.
Yes.
Is that clear? For example, if first
Yes.
person is taking part in a speech competition, so they will listen the first presentation, and after listening the whole speech of the first participant, they will present their own point of view more effectively. They will add more good point in order to win the competition. Fine? Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I have described to you about it, which thing we have to care when we are taking part in debate competition. Yes, Abhiya, I want you to speak about it. When we are debating, which thing we have to avoid and which thing we have to do?
We have to avoid to shout loudly
Very good.
and to make a panic a lot.
Very good.
And teacher, second question, what you asked?
Which thing we have to care about it? Which thing we can do?
We have to sit in a manner. We have to talk politely and nicely.
Very good. And whatever point we are presenting, we should present it clearly so that other can get it. The point of view which you are presenting to other, you should present with evidence. You should have a solid reason, solid evidence, a logic with that. Otherwise, how can other get it? That what are you presenting it? Clear?
Means
So
it have to be a logic.
Yes, with evidence. You should have the evidence with it. Okay. Richa, is this clear to you? Did you understand? Use Zoom option to raise the hand or thumbs up it.
Yes, teacher, I have understood.
Okay. Yusra, did you understand bete? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. All of you got it bete? Please use the Zoom option to raise the hand or thumbs up if the topic is clear to you all. Okay. That's really great. Asghar, I want you to set the camera of yours. Mohammad, Saqib, Shahraza. Please, bete, all of you. Sit properly. Okay. Now, as I have described, we have taught you that which thing we have to avoid when we are debating. You should not sit in a, like you are very confused. No. You should be very confident. You should smile. You should be polite, calm, and relaxed. When we are debating, we should not say we are scaring from the other. No. You should smile at the moment. You should be polite at the moment. You should be calm at the moment, and politely speak about it, whatever you are, whatever you want to present to other. Am I clear? Is this clear? So when the first partner will finish it, then you should continue. You cannot interrupt in between. For example, one did not finish the first sentence and you interrupt. So it's completely incorrect manner. Is this clear? We cannot interrupt the other one. Let other finish their complete sentence. Then you can share your ideas, your thoughts to other. Am I clear? Okay. Again, I'm sharing the screen. You should look at it. Okay. More examples you can use when you are debating. For example, if I am talking about like why exercises are important for the health, so I can give different examples, like what it does. If we do exercise, it makes us have more example. With evidence, I can add more and more examples. Fine. In order to support and to conclude the whole idea, to summarize it. Is this clear? Okay. Now I'm continuing the speech. In a speech competition, what do we do? All the participants are speaking about one topic. They don't disagree. And all the participants who are taking part in the speech competition, what do? They try to win the competition. So they all try to present their point of view, their thoughts in more effective manner. Fine. For example, if first speak the first sentence, so you will definitely add more example, more evidence to win competition. Clear? Now I'm sharing how you will write the speech. Okay, look at that. How do we write a good speech or a good content for the speech? Okay, the first paragraph of the speech, it should contain the introductory part. For example, whatever topic I have selected, fine, in the first paragraph, I'll be introducing the whole topic. Is this clear? You can start the whole speech with a famous quotation, with a famous saying of any famous writer. Start with a quotation or any poetry or anything that supports. Fine. Just take an example of a sandwich. Fine. In a sandwich, what do we have? We have two slices of a bread that are holding the complete filling. Is that clear? So same like that, the introductory part is the first slide and the last part is the conclusion, that is the other slice. Both the slides are holding the filling. So it's up to you which thing you will be adding in sandwich. Whether you wish to make a simple sandwich or a very delicious one, it's up to you. Fine. Your good ideas, your more good points will make your sandwich more and more delicious. And you will get a chance to win the competition. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? So the first paragraph is the opening paragraph, the introductory paragraph. Fine. After that, you will be adding the body. In the body we add supporting ideas that will support your main idea, main topic. Fine. Then at last, you will conclude the whole speech with a famous quotation or famous saying. Clear? When you are writing a speech, use conversational language. It means use everyday language, a general language, common. Don't use very hard vocabulary in that. Fine. You can add quotation. When you are writing a good speech, you can add good quotation, a famous writer, but it should not be very complicated or difficult one so that other cannot get it. Am I clear? It should be you should use very common words. It should be very easy. Is this clear to everyone? Bete, we have only 2 minutes. The class is going to end. I hope the topic,
Yes, miss.
the topic is clear to everyone. Did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
How can we write a speech? What do we do in that?
Yes.
And how can we make our sandwich more delicious?
Yes.
You know? Yes, my dear. We should add. Yes, Bete, share it. Okay. Now, Asnan, share it. How can you make your sandwich more delicious?
Teacher, I can add effective points. I can add effective points and good point that the audience will attract to it,
Definitely.
and they will enjoy more. And they will enjoy more.
In order to develop the interest of the audience, I should add the valuable things that are more important. Fine. If we don't add the valuable thing now, it won't give us taste. It will be tasteless. Is that clear? We don't add the tasteless. We do eat the tasteless thing. No, no. We do want spice. We do love the spice and delicious thing, delicious taste. Same like that, our ear loves to listen. The point, those are very attractive and effective. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be discussing about the body language which you have to follow when you are debating and doing the speech competition. Today we have shared the differentiate between both what are debate and speech competition, and tomorrow we'll be learning about the gesture, which what we have to do, how we have to stand, how we have to present, and how we have to show the expressions. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear?
Okay.
Okay, that's really great.
Yes.
Aryan, is this clear to you, Bete? You all can You all can unmute yourself, my dear, if you wish to ask any question. Quickly. I allowed you all.
Teacher?
If you wish to ask any question, you can ask right now.
Teacher?
You have been CRT to Fatma. Teacher, so I have tell the topic name which I am discussing about it. So teacher, when I have to do the speech on it?
Bete, from Monday, we'll be starting the competition. So before that, I have to teach you about the things now which you have to care when you are doing so. So you have to research about it. The speech competition topics I already have shared. So do research on it. On Monday, we'll be having a speech competition. So I already have shared the topics. So in weekend, you have to research, do vast research, make your speech very nice speech, add quotation, add solid point in that. Fine? And show it to me. Then I'll be checking it. Clear? Is this clear to you? So inshallah, on Monday, we'll be having a speech competition. Tomorrow, I'll be guiding you.
Thank you, Miss, for guiding.
Ji bete?
I'm saying thank you for your guiding.
Always welcome, my dear. Yes, Reja, everything is clear, bete?
Yes, teacher. I'm asking. You will take test now of tenses. You do not tell marks.
Bete, I already have taken 2 tests of tenses. Now I am starting the competition. It has 10 marks. Clear? In debate and speech competition, you will be getting marks. Okay? Now you all have to take part in it. And I'll be giving you marks in that. Is that clear? I already have shared the topic. So you all have to do research on it. Clear? Make a speech in weekend. Okay. Yes, Mubashir, you wish to ask something?
Yes, Miss, body language आप बता रही थी.
Again, repeat it, bete.
मिस आप बोल रही थी हाँ कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या होती है.
Bete, tomorrow we'll be discussing. Right now the vlog ended now. The time's up. So inshallah, tomorrow we'll be discussing about it. Today we have learned about the differentiate and how we can write the speech. Is this clear to you? Did you understand?
Yes.
What is the difference? Speech competition, debate competition? How you have to write?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Tomorrow we'll be learning about the body language. How you have to sit. Clearly? Okay? Is this clear? Okay. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, student.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Have a good day ahead.
Allah Hafiz.